Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
My name is Jackson.
My name is Lina.
This channel helps you learn English easily.
This channel helps you learn English confidently.
We use very easy English.
We speak slowly and clearly.
Today we will talk about daily life English.
Yes.
Our topic is English at the gym.
English at the gym.
The gym is a place to exercise.
Many people go to the gym.
I go to the gym.
I also go to the gym.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym.
The gym helps us stay healthy.
The gym helps us feel strong.
At the gym, we see many people.
At the gym, we use many words.
Today, we will learn gym words.
Very easy gym words.
Let us start.
Yes, let us start.
When I go to the gym, I say hello.
I also say hello.
I say hello to the staff.
I say hello to the trainer.
The trainer helps us.
The trainer shows exercises.
I say hello, trainer.
I say hello, coach.
Coach and trainer mean the same.
Yes.
At the gym, I check in.
I check in too.
I show my gym card.
I show my gym card.
The staff smiles.
The staff says welcome.
I feel good.
I feel happy.
Now let us talk about gym places.
Yes.
There is a locker room.
The locker room is for bags.
I put my bag in the locker.
I put my shoes in the locker.
There is a mirror.
I see myself in the mirror.
There is a water area.
I drink water there.
Now let us talk about gym equipment.
Gym equipment.
There is a treadmill.
The treadmill is for walking.
The treadmill is for running.
I like walking.
I like running.
I walk slowly.
I run slowly. There is a bike.
The bike is for legs.
I use the bike.
I use the bike too.
There are weights.
Weights are heavy.
I lift small weights.
I lift small weights.
Small weights are good.
Yes.
At the gym, we talk to people.
Yes, we talk.
I say, excuse me.
I also say excuse me.
Excuse me is polite.
Very polite.
I ask, is this free?
I ask, is this machine free?
The person says yes.
Or the person says wait.
Wait is okay.
I wait.
Now let us talk about exercises.
Exercises are good.
I do warm-up.
Warm-up is important.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my legs.
Stretching feels good.
Yes.
Then I start exercise.
I start exercise too.
I lift weights.
I do squats.
Squats are for legs.
Yes.
I count numbers.
I count 2,
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
Counting helps.
Counting helps a lot.
At the gym, I feel tired.
I also feel tired.
Tired is normal.
Yes, tired is okay.
I rest.
I take a short rest.
I drink water.
I drink water.
Water is important.
Very important.
Sometimes I talk to friends.
I talk to friends too.
I say, how are you?
I say, I am good.
Simple words.
Easy words.
Now let us practice simple sentences.
Yes.
I am at the gym.
I am at the gym.
I am exercising.
I am exercising.
I like the gym.
I like the gym.
Now questions.
Yes.
Do you like the gym?
Yes, I like the gym.
Do you come every day?
No, I come 3 days.
3 days a week?
Yes, 3 days a week.
I come in the morning.
I come in the evening.
Morning gym is quiet.
Evening gym is busy.
Busy means many people.
Yes.
Sometimes the gym is full.
Full means many people.
I wait.
I wait too.
Now let us repeat again.
Good idea.
I am at the gym.
I am at the gym.
I like to exercise.
I like to exercise.
Exercise is good.
Exercise is good.
Do you like exercise?
Yes, I like exercise.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym.
Very good.
Nice.
We can talk like this every day.
Yes, daily practice.
Daily practice helps.
It helps a lot.
English at the gym is easy.
English at the gym is simple.
Use short sentences.
Speak slowly.
Now we are near the end.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please practice English every day.
Practice at home.
Practice at the gym.
Practice with friends.
If you like this video,
Please like the video.
please comment.
Write a comment.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe and stay with us.
We will see you again.
See you soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye and take care.